Now finally Bex all set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have My Queen, break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside, Flo Joyner, Tabel, Sangang Daan comes next, moving up now, is Babes Magic, down on the inside is Platinum Lance, while Yellowstein is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have My Queen by about 2 lengths, and in second is Flo Joyner, down on the inside is Sangang Daan, Platinum Lance, Babes Magic, then next online Tabel, while Yellowstein is still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing down the back, we have My Queen, this time by about 3 lengths, and in second is Flo Joyner. Sangang Daan is racing in third, Babes Magic comes next, Platinum Lance, Tabel, while Yellowstein is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have My Queen by about 2 lengths, and in second is Flo Joyner. Sangang Daan remains in third, then comes Platinum Lance, moving up on the outside, Tabel, Babes Magic, and Yellowstein, and they are now entering the home stretch. My Queen moving up on the outside is Flo Joyner as they swing for home. My Queen and Flo Joyner fighting out for the lead. We have My Queen this time by a length and a half. Flo Joyner is on the outside, last 75 meters. We have My Queen followed by Flo Joyner, and finally it's My Queen, Flo Joyner, Yellowstein, then comes Tabel, number 2, Platinum Lance.
Ganda naman. Sabi ko na nakapagpahinga na si My Queen sa harapan, kaya galing din pala sa panalo.